Hansa aircraft, also known as Hansa NG, is India's first all-composite light aircraft designed and developed by Council of Scientific and Industrial Research along with NAL in the very light aircraft category, ideally suited for ab initio flying training, sports and hobby flying. Hansa NG is a two-seater aircraft with low wing aircraft, low noise emission and option to use both motor gasoline and aviation gasoline. Now you look, aircraft is taking off in front of you. Now the pilot will execute a steep turn to the left. Now it is positioning for the left. Thereafter, he will change its direction towards right and enter into a maneuver of 360° with a minimum radius of turn possible. Now aircraft is coming in front of you and then it will initiate 360° turn in a right direction. Now aircraft will position for the next maneuver. It is positioning in front of you by taking a left turn. The moment it gets straight parallel to the runway, it will start executing a figure of 8. This horizontal figure of 8 is a combination of two steep turns showcasing the thrust margin of the aircraft and its potential to demonstrate sustained rate of turn. Now it has started to execute the turn. While the aircraft positions for the next maneuver, I would like to introduce you to the pilot flying this machine. The aircraft is being flown by Wing Commander Saurabh Kumar Singh. He is a test pilot from esteemed aircraft and system testing establishment of Indian Air Force based in your own Bangalore town of Bengaluru. He has flown a total of 13 aircraft with a short span of 15.5 years of his service and has 2,300 hours of flying on fighter, trainer and transport class of aircraft. He is also a fighter combat leader and instrument rating examiner. Now the pilot is positioning for wing over. H. Now he is doing left wing over. Now after left wing over, aircraft will turn straight parallel to the runway and now it will start waggling the wings, which means saying goodbye to all of you. Now you can see the maneuver of wing waggling by the aircraft. Now it leaves a message that the Indian Air Force has always been supporting and will always support the indigenous aircraft and systems no matter what. Ceiling of 10,000 feet above mean sea level and a maximum speed of 140 knots. Now you can see it is at it is taking a short circuit towards the left and will come for a short landing, in which it will come in front of the dais and keep its nose up till very last to show a super fine performance during landing by this aircraft. You can see this small machine with a super fine landing in front of you on the runway.
The next aircraft from US Air Force. Dear audience, we are thrilled to present to you one of the most iconic and versatile fighter jets in the world, the F-16 Fighting Falcon. The aircraft is now lined up and will be taking off shortly. Today, the aircraft is being flown by Major Trader, who is fondly known as Static. Please keep looking to your left and keep your eyes riveted to the aircraft, as the Static will shortly take over the runway for a max afterburn climb to 12,000 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, what you just witnessed was the F-16 Fighting Falcon performing a low-altitude show of force. This display not only highlights the F-16's agility, but also its capability to deliver a powerful message without firing a single shot. Landing right in front of you, please give a huge round of applause for F-16 Fighting Falcon.